There are 4 levels of learning any habit or any skill. The first one is unconscious incompetence. That is, you are not aware that there is a skill that you can master. Like there are certain mind tools like NLP which can help you rewire your mind. You're not even aware about it. The second level is conscious incompetence. Now you are aware that there is a skill that exists, but then I don't know it. Like you know that car can be driven, but then you don't know how to drive a car. That is conscious incompetence. The third level is conscious competence. Now you know that you can do it, but you operate from the conscious level. That is, when you start driving a car, how do you drive it? Very consciously. When you have to give your first speech, how do you do it? Very, very consciously. So when you imbibe a skill in your life, you do it very, very consciously, and it requires a lot of effort and energy. But at the fourth level, the deepest learning is unconscious competence. That is, at an unconscious level, you have developed a competence at it. Now, when you drive a car, you really do not have to measure things. You can actually talk to the next person sitting in your car while you're driving the car. So, any habit has to go to that level so that it becomes a lifestyle. But sadly, following the same pattern, maybe you are unconsciously competent at overthinking or stress or depression or anxiety. So, what are you unconsciously competent at? Let